Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I am excited to unbox and demo for you this Air Armor Crystal Clear Magnetic Ring Case by ESR for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. That's right, it is MagSafe compatible case. It is crystal clear, but really awesome protection, as you will see. Let's get it out of the box and take a look at it. You do have some little instructions here in case you need those. And you've got your protection there. You can see, it tells you right here on the thing, you've got raised screen edge, you've got military grade protection, you've got air guard corners, and a camera guard. And I'm going to demo all that for you. Of course, you've also got that magnetic ring, which makes this MagSafe compatible. So there you go. First, let's take a look at just the crystal clearness of this case. I'm going to hold it all the way up to my lens. And look at that, crystal clear. Of course, you're going to get some shadow because you've got light and glaring, but look at that. You can see my hand, the veins in my hand, my palm lines, perfect because it is crystal clear. So it's going to allow the beauty of your iPhone 13 Pro Max to shine through. But look at those air guards in the corner. Nice. See that? Raised air guards. Really good protection. Look at those. You've got like 3 tiny little air pockets in a slightly raised bumper. So that is going to give you excellent corner protection in case of a drop of your phone in the corners. It is going to be very well protected. You've got, of course, the magnetic ring, and you've got the full package with this cover, not just the ring, but also the little extra divot on the bottom. You've got raised bezel around the camera. You've got your cover for your buttons. Really looks like an excellent case. Let's get it on the phone so we can see it in action. So this is my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and there you go. Look at that. That's what I love about it. You can see I've got the gray phone, and you can see the color of the phone shines through. You can see that Apple logo just clear as day through that case, as if there wasn't even a case on there, which is great. Got that raised bezel all the way around the camera. So nice camera guard. Even if I lay my phone down flat, I don't have to worry about those lenses. They're not going to be touching. You've got a nice cover on the button, and it works great. You've got same thing on the other side with the volume rockers. Easy to use those. Nice cutout, easy access for your vibration silent mode, which is great. Looking down at the bottom of the phone, you've got the perfect cutouts for your 2 speakers down there, as well as wide cutout for your lightning port, which is great. Yeah, just a really impressive case, really beautiful case, nice and simple, nice TPU finish, so very grippy. This isn't going to slide around in your hand. I like that. It's very grippy in your hand. You do also have that slightly raised bezel around the face of the phone, so even if you lay your phone down flat, it's going to be protected, which is great. And then you've got the magnetic ring, the full deal, so this is going to be fully compatible with any of your MagSafe devices, whether that is a MagSafe charger on a wire, or if you're putting it on the traditional Apple MagSafe charger on a stand or something, it's going to stick. Also will work with any type of MagSafe accessory, such as a car mount. So if you're throwing it on your car mount in your car, you can see it's going to stick there and stay there with no issues at all because of that high quality magnetic ring that is built into the case. So if you're looking for a crystal clear MagSafe compatible case that also gives excellent corner protection, drop protection, and camera bezel protection, then this case by ESR is definitely a case that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, post them below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.